Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Unspoken Crime Murders, and ooh, and the title of the video is "High School Teacher Arrested After Getting Caught with 15-Year-Old Student." Ooh, man, we've been seeing this so common these past few years, man. I would say probably like the last five years or so, man. A lot of teachers begin real close with their students. Let's see.
Disappears without warning. No phone, no money, no meds. His mother is terrified. A 15-year-old boy disappears without warning. No phone, no money, no meds. His mother is terrified. Deputies search day and night, but nothing could prepare them for where they'd find him or who he was with. Amber alerts echoed throughout the entire area. Everyone knew he was missing, but where could he be? As detectives began to unravel the case, their investigation uncovered a shocking twist. A teacher had been alone with the missing student for nearly a week.
Your son that took off?
Yeah.
And so you said that last time he was found at those apartments down the street.
Charleston K, yeah.
Is there a friend of his that lives there or something?
I have no clue. He's changed his entire friend group, to be honest. He went from honors classes and a football player to
whoever these people are.
whoever these people are. I know he's
okay.
smoking and drinking.
Okay.
I've seen it on his Snapchat.
Okay.
He's been stealing from us. And that's what arose yesterday is he stole $100 out of my wallet.
Okay.
And he meets people down at the gate to buy weed.
The look on the mother's face said it all. Pure concern mixed with confusion. She told officers her son had been buying drugs, stealing money, spiraling out of control. Yet she was still completely unaware of where he really was or who he was with.
And he basically said, I never want to see you again. I don't want to see Dad. Don't talk to me. Don't find me. Don't call me.
Okay.
This has happened a lot with him over the summer.
Wait, when did he take off?
I want to say it was between 9:40 and 9:50 last night.
Okay. And I know you gave a description of what he was wearing.
Yeah.
He's on foot too.
He's on foot. He also has a gray Nike backpack.
Okay.
That he's carrying with him.
Okay. We don't have a picture of him. I mean, I can find it through, body camera interactions, but
Can I give you
yeah,
one?
give me a picture if you
Yeah,
can.
let me grab my phone.
Yeah, I'll get mine too. I'll be right back.
Damn, nice neighborhood, man.
And I want you guys to have as much information as you can.
Right.
I don't know, there was some party at a beach in Charlotte County and there was a huge fight. And some guy was out there stabbing people.
Okay. When was this?
He was out there and that's what they did to him.
Okay.
So I took him to the ER.
He broke the nose?
Yeah.
Oh, crap. Okay.
A 25-year-old.
Okay. Where was this at again? That it all went down?
This was in July.
Okay.
This was in July. And this is when he sent me this picture and said, Mom, somebody broke my nose.
Where was it at though? Here in
It was here in Charlotte County.
Okay. Was it at a park or something?
Yeah, it was at the beach park down the street.
Okay. Huh.
And my oldest son is at college, and he sent him that picture. So he came home for a week.
Yeah.
And that's when he texted my older son, I'm at Charleston K, come get me.
Okay.
And that's when he came home. We took him to the ER.
Okay.
We did all that.
Okay. So right now you pretty much have no idea where he could be at. That's just an idea based on where he was found last time. And that's when he was found with Devontae, right? This
Yes.
Devontae guy? Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So that all went down a couple weeks ago at the,
3 weeks ago.
park
Yeah.
down the street. And is this the longest he's done this for, that he's taken off? Or
No, but we had a really long conversation. That school's in session. He had told us over the summer when we didn't hear from him for a couple days that he was at a trap house. No clue what that is or what goes on there.
Right.
We definitely don't do anything like that.
Yeah.
So
It's funny just listening to parents that don't know the terminology. But this is a classic case of, kid grow up, good neighborhood, looks like good family, good whatever, right? Good upbringing, whatever. But He gets to school, and around this age, I would say starting around like 14, 13, you know, to like 16, you know, is when that age range where like they're either gonna go down the path of, like she was saying, he was playing football, he was doing good grades, and now he's hanging around the bad crowd, smoking weed probably, and all this other stuff, partying. That's around that age, and you know, it's unfortunate that he's starting to go down this path, but hopefully he could look at like his older brother and, you know, turn it around, because this is crazy. But you can't do that when you gotta when you smashing a teacher. You know what I'm saying? He's smashing a teacher.
I don't know. I know he's with the older crowd. All his friends that he used to hang out with from football, he's just kind of pushed them to the side.
Okay. Which is the crowd he should be hanging out with
Yes.
right now, or
Yeah.
at least that should
Yeah.
be his friend group. But
Right.
okay, so you say he does drugs and alcohol. Have you seen him impaired before by any of these
Yeah, he
substances?
was high the other night when he
Okay.
stole money from me. He went down to the gate, and I'm sure he bought weed.
Okay.
And this isn't the first time he stole from us. I mean, he stole over $1,500 out of our safe.
Wow. Okay, that's big right there.
Yeah.
You should have. I mean, and I know as a parent, you probably try to avoid getting him in trouble.
Right.
But
I know.
other
I should have
parents,
pressed charges.
yeah, other parents are just like, he stole from us. He needs to learn this lesson. But then again, you sit there and wonder what that'll do to his long term
Right, and that's
chances
my-
in life.
Right, and
Yeah.
you know that's my whole thing. But
Right.
then, you know, it was that money, and then it was my daughter's babysitting money, and then it was another $100 for me. And literally, I came home last night for my daughter's cheer. I put my purse on my counter because I've been leaving it in my room.
Right.
I went to the bathroom, washed my hands, and in that instant,
That's how quick.
That's how quick he was.
Okay.
And the only reason I know is because I took my daughter to the store to get a sketchbook for school, and it was gone. So I had 126, and the 100 was missing.
Okay. Do the same. I'm gonna go and see if we can locate where he could be at. So,
Okay.
And you haven't driven to the Charleston K place, right? Because you don't know exactly where it is. So
I don't. I mean, I know where it is. Like, I'll be honest. I just drove through there,
Okay.
like around the parking lot,
Yeah.
just to see if I recognize a car that might have been here to pick him up, or if he, you know, was walking around. But I didn't, and that was, you know, 30 minutes ago
Okay. So
after I
nothing
dropped
there.
my daughter off at cheer.
You
We're
don't.
going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from zero to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
You don't know of any of his friends or a girlfriend or anything like that.
Over the next few days, detectives would gather every piece of information they could, combing through his Snapchat activity, canvassing the neighborhood, and questioning anyone who might have seen him. Their mission was clear: find out where this missing teen had gone and why.
You guys know
Never heard of it.
what about a Kaylee Resin?
Kylie Reason, yeah.
Yeah.
Kylie.
Kylie. Okay, who's Kylie to you guys?
My daughter.
Your daughter?
Yeah.
Okay, she doesn't know anybody named Jones?
I don't think so. I've never heard of it.
Okay.
She's not even home right now.
She isn't?
No.
Do you know where she's at?
No, I don't. I think she's at work or something. I don't know where she went.
How old is she?
She's about to be 18.
Okay. But you think she's at work?
I don't know where she is, actually. I don't know. I tried calling her earlier, but she didn't answer. But she's not home, though. Yeah, I've never
heard of him. I mean, heard of all kinds of kids' names.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's currently missing. He's been missing for about 4 days.
Yeah.
And-
not here.
Okay, the information that we got was he might be with her.
Yeah, she's not here.
Okay, where does she work?
She works with me and at Dunkin' Donuts, but I don't know. I honestly, she wasn't home last night, so.
Which Dunkin' Donuts was that?
One over here on, what is it? 41 or whatever.
Is it in the gas station next to the subway?
No.
Is it down south of Midway?
Yeah, It's right across the street
It's
from
Hancock?
Public.
Yeah, Hancock next to Rib City?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, yeah, where Rib City used to be, yeah. But
Okay.
yeah, she's not home. She wasn't home last night either, so.
Okay.
She was staying by her girlfriend, Brianna, so.
Okay. If you guys hear anything about him or whatever the case may be, give us a call, okay?
All right, yeah, I'll try calling her.
All right, sounds good. Thank you.
In the days that followed, the mother's phone was flooded with messages from students claiming they had seen her son posting on Snapchat, but nothing prepared her for what came next. Multiple students reported spotting the missing teen, not just anywhere, but with his teacher at her home. A major twist was beginning to unfold, and investigators were about to uncover just how deep it went.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm Sergeant Curry with Criminal Investigations. This
Captain First Lady.
is Corporal
Hi.
Martin with Criminal Investigations
Captain
also.
First Lady.
Unfortunately, we're here because of one of your teachers,
Yes.
Kelly Simpson.
Sir.
It's reference to case number 2208-007100, where she was tampering with child custody. We have reason to believe that she may have evidence in her classroom to support said charges and possibly other charges
Okay.
of sexual conduct
Okay.
by a student.
All right.
That being known to you, you're allowing us to come on campus and go into her classroom, is that
Yes, I
correct?
am.
Okay. All right.
So what I said is, we've moved her class, we have a sub in there, they're gonna be in the
Okay.
media center, the door's locked. So, is one of my SROs going with you, or do you want me to go to unlock the classroom, or?
As long as somebody can,
Yeah, I
somebody's
mean,
got to stand by with us, that's all.
Yep, so that's good, and nobody should be back in there until you're done,
Okay.
so,
All right.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
all right.
Sidebar.
Before, basically gonna read off the search warrant too, just so you know what's going on, all right? Case number is 220710. Suspect name is that.
Damn, it's been a minute since I've been watching unspoken crime murders videos, man. Yo, they got some heat. I ain't gonna lie. This how you find this video. It's like the last one that we watched was with the with the immigrant, and then this one, yo, what's up? Damn, yo, these kids are smashing these teachers. These teachers wasn't looking like this when I was in school, man. Golly, man. Come on.
Before, basically gonna read off the search warrant too, just so you know what's going on, all right? Case number is 220710. Suspect name is that the affiant has probable cause to believe and does believe that the property connected to the above listed crimes is currently being contained, stored, or concealed within the following location. The residence located at 1390 Mager Street, Port Charlotte, Florida, zip code of 33952. The suspect's residence of, as I stated before, 1390 Mager Street, Port Charlotte, Florida, for the zip code 33952. The property sought after are any and all electronic devices used to facilitate communication between parties for full forensic downloads, which may include cell phones, tablets, computers, etc. Ring security cameras for full forensic download. Any and all evidence of the crime committed to include receipts, papers, pictures, and additional license plates, etc. All right, and next now you can do whatever you want to do with this paperwork. All right.
221 should be en route to you.
Oh yeah, we just have you just step out the way. You can bring your water at you if you want.
Copy, thank you.
407 to 227.
Sidebar.
227 for now to O'Hara.
Do you have anything in your pockets or anything like that that I need to be concerned about?
I have a vape.
Okay. Is it just the paper copy of the search warrant they provided to you? And a car key? Just go ahead and leave your car key on the seat. Vape is okay?
Yeah, just take it.
Yeah. I'll take that. Yeah, and then I'll take the paper for you, and we'll just come over here to the passenger side of the marked car.
Messing with kids, boy. Threw your whole career away.
Hop on in here and have a seat.
You threw your whole career away for
Is that a piece of gum
15-year-old.
that somebody put in my gum?
Yep.
Nice.
In the end, justice caught up with the teacher. The former Charlotte County teacher pleaded no contest to interfering with the custody of a minor and was sentenced to 5 years of probation.
Really? 5 years probation, no jail time? She's in her jumpsuit right here, but she probably was only in there for a day and got bonded out the next day. This is the same stuff. Like, it's like, if this is a man, let's say this is a 25, 20, let's say it's 25-year-old guy, right? And he's messing with a 15-year-old girl. Is he just getting probation? Well, you know what? Honestly, these people that do these sex crimes, they don't get no time in no way. You got people in jail that they getting football numbers for weed. You know what I'm saying? They doing these type of crimes. You know, you got these rapos, pedophiles, all these people. They don't get no time at all. Like none. That shit is crazy to me.
Teacher pleaded no contest to interfering with the custody of a minor and was sentenced to 5 years of probation, along with 100 hours of community service and $916 in court fees. As part of her plea deal, she is permanently barred from ever working with children again. Authorities say she knowingly harbored a missing and endangered 15-year-old boy in her Port Charlotte home while deputies searched frantically for him for days. She lied to investigators, she defied alerts, and she betrayed the trust of both the student and the community. Now, she walks free, but with her career destroyed.
Wow. I get a cops. Shoot, they had to put in a lot of work, man. So they definitely get a 4 out of 5, man. Nah, my boy was in the rain with it too. I give him a 5 out of 5, man. My boy was in the rain with it too, man. These, you know what I'm saying? There's no way that you're not telling me that this lady had this 15-year-old boy up in the crib for whatever, a week or two, whatever, how long it was, and he wasn't getting none or nothing like that. Like she's preying on these children, and that's 5 years probation, no time. Like, come on. That shit is unreal.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.